The Lamborghini powerfully roars, accelerating with immense force on the canyon's rugged, rocky path. Pebbles fly upwards as golden dust blooms dramatically, catching the sunlight's intense and radiant rays. Perspective rapidly shifts. A wide aerial canyon shot, then a close-up wheel spin, and a dashboard POV immerses us deeply. A large truck swerves sharply, narrowly avoiding a dangerous rockfall. Debris scatters across the winding road ahead. The vibrant car executes a controlled drift, sliding smoothly through scattered rocks and dust with precision. Inside, the driver's gloved hands firmly grip the steering wheel, a clear picture of intense focus and concentration. Electronic music powerfully syncs to gear shifts, greatly amplifying the adrenaline of the high-speed chase. The camera smoothly glides along the canyon edge, capturing both danger and masterful control in equal measure.